Hey guys, so I'm going to show you the second part of the video of how to actually output this drawing onto an engineering drawing so that we can present it. Okay, so once we're at this stage here, we're good to go and to make a drawing. So I'm going to go up here and create file, new drawing from design. This will bring up a menu here to create the drawing, and we'll have it as an ISO millimeters A4. You can make it A3, but for today we're just going to save it as an A4 so that we can email it or save it onto your hard drive. Okay, so click OK. This will bring up the next drawing sheet. Okay, and then what we want to do, we'll change the scale of this just to 1:1 because I think we've got enough space here to do that. Okay, and then I'm just going to place a drawing in there. Click OK. So we've got our front view here. Then we can actually extrude out or select views to, that's our top view. And then we have our right side view, and we'll place in an isometric view there. Click OK. Now, on some of these drawings here, we want to edit the view here. So we're going to go up and we can actually show, let's see if we can do the hidden detail. So we've got hidden detail in that front view. Okay, so that shows us where the hole is going to go through. So in the top view here, we've got our hole, but in the front view, this dotted line symbolizes that there is a hole there. Okay, and you can see here, there's something behind that, which is obviously this part here. It's going to go close that. Now, I just want to see if I can actually change this into, let's change this view into a view that looks something a bit better like this type of view. Okay, so it's a solid. Okay, and then we've got that there. Now, next thing, we just move this around a little bit so we can get a bit more space here on our drawing. And then what we can start to do, we can actually add some dimensions in. So let's just start with the width dimension, 90. We'll add in the height dimension here from there to there, 50 there. Then we can actually start to add in other ones, our depth in there to there was 50. And we can start to add in some of these other values in here, for example. So we did say that that was a 6mm across there. And we can actually also talk about okay, actually I might cancel that and we'll do a chain dimension. Let's see if we can add another type of dimension here. And dimensions, chain dimension. So we go select base dimension. Just click on this one here. We go across. Just going to convert that in. Actually, I want to get rid of that 4.2. First delete on that. Get rid of that one. There's a quicker way to do something like that. Actually, I'll try and convert that into a chain dimension. Let's try that again. This one, we got to there, to there. We'll just delete that one. Okay, so we've got a few little dimensions in there. We've got radius dimension, or baseline dimension. So this is where you start to draw select a base dimension. Choose that one. Choose that one. It's another type of 10 across. We don't need to put those in. Might move that one to the top actually. Drag it up to there. And so we can move these up. Okay. We can go around and start to dimension some of these other parts as well. Let's do an angular dimension. So hang on, excuse me. Do a dimension here. I'm going to do the angle in there. Got a few dimensions on there now. It's starting to look a bit better. Okay, so let's just go back, and I want you guys to work around and see what drawings you can come up with here. Okay,